Welcome to my video today about the centering method. I call it my method of inner focusing. This method is a powerful tool that can be used in webinars, online training, and seminars to help participants relax, focus, and ease into the training. In the next few minutes, you'll learn the basics of this method. I'll explain to you at which stage you can effectively use the method and the best way to go about it. In all my videos about the methods, the supermarket principle applies. Pick out what you like and what best fits your trainer personality. So get ready to learn a transformative technique that can take your training to the next level. Imagine you could be fully present in every webinar, every online training, right from the start. Focused, ready to learn. Sounds good? Then let me introduce you to a technique that makes this possible: inner focusing, the art of arriving. Inner focusing is a method that helps you arrive in the here and now, not just physically, but also mentally. It's about letting go of everyday stress and fully engaging in the in-person or online training. The inner focusing method is based on the idea that a calm and focused mind can significantly enhance participants' receptivity and engagement. This method combines breathing techniques, light physical exercises, and mental visualizations to achieve a state of inner peace and concentration. By using it regularly, your participants can learn to reduce stress and focus their attention. This is especially useful in learning environments where distractions and nervousness are common. Imagine coming home after a long trip. That's how the method feels, a sense of calm and security. To understand why inner focus is so important, I want to tell you a short story. There was once a big construction project that involved many workers, including a group of Native Americans. On the first day of work, everyone arrived on time. Everyone started working, but the Native Americans sat down quietly and waited. When asked why they weren't working, they replied, "Bodies are here, but our souls aren't yet." Or, imagine a glass of water that's been shaken up real good. The water's all cloudy and restless. But if we let it sit for a moment, the murkiness settles, and the water becomes clear again. The same goes for our mind. Inner focus helps us calm down and find clarity. Because often, we operate on autopilot in our daily lives. We react automatically, without really being present. Centering allows us to turn off our autopilot and consciously decide how we want to engage with the situation. Studies have shown that short mindfulness exercises can improve concentration and memory. You can now use these facts to support the effectiveness of inner focusing. Using this method in webinars and seminars offers numerous benefits. First, it helps participants relax and reduce stress, leading to a more pleasant learning atmosphere. Second, it enhances concentration and focus on the content, improving information retention and overall understanding. Third, it can positively impact group dynamics by fostering a sense of community and shared purpose. Overall, the method helps to increase the effectiveness and success of training and seminars. In online or in-person training, the method can be integrated in various ways. At the beginning of the training, a short centering exercise can be conducted to get participants in the right mindset for the upcoming topic. During the training, regular breaks can be taken where participants can do breathing exercises or short meditations. In the end, a final centering exercise can help anchor what you've learned and create a positive conclusion. You can find more information about the method and some practice examples available for download on my website. I'll put the link in the description. And now, let's start with a small audio sample.
We all know the feeling. The day is long, your head is full. And then we're supposed to focus on a workout. Centering helps to let go of everyday stress and arrive in the here and now. It's like a mental shower, refreshing and clarifying. Let's now do a short exercise together. Focus on what you want to learn in this training. Imagine absorbing the knowledge and how it opens up new possibilities for you. Feel the curiosity within you, that exciting joy of discovery. How does that feel for you? Now let's gently come back. Become aware of your body, feel your breath. Slowly open your eyes and come fully into the here and now. Feel refreshed and ready to learn something new.
Inner focus is a gift to yourself. Use this technique to be fully present for a training session. Share a short personal story about how the method helped you be more present and focused in a specific situation. Feel free to use the comments section below the video. Did you enjoy the video? So, give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this. It really helps out with the YouTube algorithm and allows me to create more interesting videos. Discover a world of training and exciting content here on my second channel, YouTube. Get a unique insight into the background, learn proven methods, and discover how you can effectively motivate and inspire others. Subscribe to my second channel so you don't miss any exciting releases and become part of a growing community. Thank you for supporting my channel. Because knowledge is the key to success. Your job market guru, Sven Neuenfeldt.